Hi, I'm Joey Herrick, President of Natural Balance Pet Foods. 24 years ago, my wife Linda and I teamed up with actor Dick Van Patten and started Natural Balance. Our goal was to make the best food in the business. We hired top veterinarians and nutritionists to develop our formulas, and what they came up with was terrific. Once we had the product, my wife Linda actually went out and got our first 60 stores, and I used to deliver them in my car. Today, we're a respected brand sold all over the world, and I'm very, very proud of what Natural Balance has become. To me, one of the most important parts of Natural Balance is our lab. We do a lot of testing on our products to make sure that when it leaves our warehouse and it's going to your pet, it's right. There's no government agency that requires us to do the testing. We just do it because it's the right thing to do. Do most pet food companies do the testing that we do? No, not to my knowledge. Should they? Absolutely. Because pets are like kids. They're an important part of the family, and it's our job to make sure they're getting the best product. Now, there's a recent addition to the staff of Natural Balance that I'd like you to meet. He has a master's degree in chemistry from UC Davis, and he came to us with over 20 years of experience from the pharmaceutical and nutritional supplement industry. He's our Director of Quality Control and Quality Assurance, and I'm so glad he's working for Natural Balance. So let me introduce to you now Steve Linetta.
Thanks, Joey. Hi, everyone. It's my responsibility to make sure our products meet the nutritional requirements set by our veterinarians and nutritionists, and to make sure that the Natural Balance product you're feeding meets the standards set by our company. We test for 9 different contaminants in this lab: melamine, cyanuric acid, aflatoxin, vomitoxin, ochratoxin, zearalenone, fumonisn, E. coli, and salmonella. Let me show you how we do these tests and introduce you to some of the dedicated Natural Balance employees who keep the integrity of our products. This is George. George is testing aflatoxins for us right now on our products. The aflatoxins are formed from mold materials that can grow in grains that come from farms. So what we do is we make sure that the toxins that those molds can form are not in our product. So we make sure that the product conforms to all company and federal standards for mycotoxins. This is Raphael. Raphael is preparing samples to put into our LCMS analyzer. LCMS stands for Liquid Chromatography Mass Spectrometer. This is one of the most advanced instruments available in the industry, and it looks for very, very low levels of contaminants that may be present in a pet food material. We're using it to look for melamine and cyanuric acid. This is Hasmeek. Hasmeek is working on testing our pathogens. Those pathogens are salmonella and E. coli. We don't want pathogens in our product, and the testing that Hasmeek does assures our product has no salmonella or E. coli present. This is Valerie. Valerie is our lead chemist here, and what she's responsible for is making sure that all of our documentation is correct for every lot of product that we produce. Our documentation assures that we have our quality assurance and quality control. Every check is done, every check is double checked, and that we have a formal release process in place. We want to make sure that we have done everything possible for every lot to make sure that it's the best quality. After Valerie gets done doing this review, she enters the data into our website, so that our Buy with Confidence program will enable our customers to look up the test results for any lot that they buy, so that they can see how we tested and the passing results for each and every lot. Once again, thank you so much for joining us here in the Natural Balance Quality Control Laboratory. I hope by your little tour here today, you've seen that we take quality very, very seriously here at Natural Balance. Thank you very much.